guys. Hey
guys, what's up? And we're back with another challenge. We had so much fun doing the what was it? Never have I ever challenge. So we decided that we're gonna run to our Walmart and we each picked out 5 baby foods. He doesn't know what I got and I have no idea what he got. I hope he got some kind of fruits. And then we're going to be blindfolded and the other one is going to feed us. We have to decide or not decide. We have to guess what the flavor is. Yes. And then me.
You go first. You get blindfolded first. Come here, girl.
I look okay? I look crazy?
You look a little crazy, but that's just how you look.
Oh, I'm sorry, Pichu. I'm sorry.
Alright. So, this is the first flavor that I picked.
Don't give me like a whole spoonful.
Hey, baby, don't talk. It's not that bad.
You tried it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that stinks. That needs some salt.
What do you think that is?
It's something green.
Something green?
Is it peas?
It's got peas, yes.
It's mixed vegetables.
Yes, you got it right. You actually got the right.
Okay.
What was on the tag? Okay, so she gets that one right. I'm gonna put that to the right and see who gets more right.
Oh, that was so
disgusting.
Nice. Can I have a drink of water?
No. Babies don't talk. Let me find your water. Here's the water. Here you go.
Oh, that was so nasty.
Okay. So this is the second one that I picked for her. Let's see if she gets it right.
Oh, I hope this one's like applesauce.
This one's actually a lot better. Am I supposed to be tasting these before I do it to you?
No!
Okay,
it
you ready?
Just made me... Okay, that one wasn't bad.
It's actually a lot better than the first one.
That just tastes like an applesauce.
Applesauce? Well...
No, banana. It has a little bit of banana.
No.
Okay, what is it? I don't know. Mango.
No. You want me to tell you?
Just tell me.
Pear and pineapple.
Oh.
You didn't get that one right, so I'll put that to the left.
That was not that. That did not taste like that. Rename it Gerber or Parent's Choice.
Whatever.
Okay.
Alright.
That one was good. I could have another bite of that one.
You have the whole little thing. Alright, this is the next one. Oh man. I gotta show them this. This does not look good at all. Let's see. Do you all see that? Oh my god. I'm sorry.
Pikachu wants to try it first.
I'm not even gonna try this one first.
No, you try it and you tell me how it is. Don't give me a lot. Babies do not like this.
I really don't think that they like this. Because that's disgusting. That's some disgusting stuff.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry I did that to you.
I don't know what that is.
Garden vegetables.
Oh, how many more do I have? How many more do I have?
2 more. Yeah. Let's see what's up with this one. Oof.
Let's get it.
This smells pretty rough and kind of looks a little rough too. Look at how watery it is. Whoa.
You have to stir it up.
Don't
just feed me like liquid.
Hey, I just spilled some.
Where?
Whoops.
Where'd you spill it?
Technical difficulties. It's okay.
Okay, I know what it is.
What? Yeah, what?
I have to taste it. Is it carrots?
No, you're never gonna know what the fuck. Well, it's got carrots in it, but you're never gonna get this thing.
It's chicken and carrots.
You were close.
Turkey and carrots.
No, that was actually really close.
Beef and carrots.
No.
I don't know, what is it?
Chicken rice dinner.
Okay.
You're pretty close. Should I give her that one? Because she got the first one.
I only got one right.
You got one. Yeah, just one right, and you got the first one
Okay.
and this one right.
Alright, ding ding.
It just goes to tell you how close these taste to what they actually are. Because you
I
can.
feel like maybe if we put some salt and some pepper.
No, this one never tastes good. I want you to know that.
This one?
Never. No, none of these. This one might be the best one. So save it for last for a reason.
Okay, I hope it's a fruit.
I hope so too. Alright, let me show them what we got here. Hold on, what we got here. Ooh, this one actually smells super good.
Did you taste the chicken and rice?
Yeah, I tasted all of them.
You tasted the really nasty one. The second.
This
The third one. Oh,
garden whistle.
yeah, that was nasty.
This one's legit. This one's actually good. I could eat this like on lunch or something. Ready?
Yeah. Don't just like let me have food on my face. Do I have food on my face?
Yes. No, you don't. What do you think of that?
Mango.
Yep, that's right. That's because you saw it.
I knew that one was mango.
You saw it. That's why she's laughing so hard. But we'll let her have it.
I said I knew one was mango.
No, you look from under there. It's okay. We'll
No, I can't see. I can't see anything.
It's okay. We'll let
I saw it in the bag.
Oh, okay. Cheater. She saw all of them.
No, I only saw one.
All right, so she got 2 right. You got mixed vegetables, which it just so happens you got it right. And then we got what was it? Halftime with Pikachu. Miss Pikachu, how's the weather today?
Okay. Come here. Come to me.
I should have gone first.
Flavor.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Open. What is it?
Like green beans and carrots.
Okay, well
Like sweet potato.
it has carrots. It's carrots.
Sweet potato and carrots.
No, it's just carrots.
Just carrots.
Just carrots.
It's just carrots.
Just carrots.
Carrots and nothing else.
Carrot one. No, it's not. No S.
It does have a cool name like carrot. Carrots and pickle sauce.
No. Yeah, these are kind of watery.
Yeah, they're shit.
This doesn't even stay on. I'll taste this one.
That's like strawberry banana.
You always get like half of the word. Okay, it's bananas and mixed berries. Yeah, this isn't bad.
Okay, so
You want another bite?
no. No, thank you. They kind of taste like when I throw up like fruit roll-ups or something.
I was just taking another bite of that, and then you said that. Oh, that'd be so nasty.
Oh my god.
Like, everything that he gave me probably doesn't compare to
What is it? Fucking
how this one tastes.
Damn it, man.
I'm sorry. I'm not eating this one. Okay, this one has a lot of. It's filling. Big old bite of it.
No, it's like steak or something, like
Here.
chicken and steak.
Open.
I don't want to.
Open. Open. No, I ate all of them.
You're a bully. Oh, this is okay.
What is it?
The shit.
What is it though, for real?
I don't know. That's disgusting. It doesn't taste like anything. What is it?
Macaroni and beef with vegetables.
Oh, disgusting. It did not taste anything like that.
What did it taste
It tasted
like?
like water. with
Well, that's better than what I thought.
like dropping a steak inside of water. And just
Okay,
letting it
so
sit
do you
there.
want like a good one for last, or do you want like?
Just mix them together into one.
No, you
Like-
got two more
And I'll
still.
take a guess.
You just took it two.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a good one.
What do we got?
Hold on. I gotta show it. Okay.
Oh, that's definitely peas.
It doesn't taste bad.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god, it looks so
What
bad.
is it? Peas and what?
It's just peas.
Peas? That's it?
Just peas. That looks so gross.
It tastes just like peas. Like, specifically. That's actually good. This is like pear, right?
No.
Apple?
Yeah, it's apple. I think Bruno eats these on his break.
Apple and what?
Just apple.
Just apple.
Yeah.
So I win?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so too.
Ding, 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 ding.
What do I get?
Oh, there's no prize.
There's no prize.
You just got to eat all
The
the
hell, I
apples.
just volunteered?
Yeah.
Oh man.
You know the bite applesauce?
Yeah, it's actually pretty.
Alright guys, so you
That's
came, you saw, we ate. It was really gross.
It was actually pretty fun.
It was actually
I would actually suggest that you try these before you feed them to your kids. You can know what they're going through.
because they ain't good.
Yeah,
honey.
some of these things
they
are
ain't
bad.
good.
You only got like one flavor of everything.
Well, because
This
I
one was
wanted to be
actually-
specific. Like,
that
I
one
wanted
was
you
good.
to, I wanted you to know what you were gonna eat.
I just wanted to get the grossest things that I could think of.
That one was fucking gross.
That was really ooh, strike one.
Okay, well, I actually win. Thank you guys so much. And let us know if you want us to do another challenge, if you want some makeup tutorials.
Whatever
Let us know
next.
what you want to see. Thank you guys so much, and subscribe, like, and share.